Hey, this is Joey at wholesale.com, and we're going to go over replacing mini light fuses. Hey, we're going to go over mini lights and how to replace the fuses, but let me go over the design and construction of this just really quickly. So this is a 6-inch spacing mini light. There's also 4-inch spacing. This is also a prong with a fuse that's in here. That's what we're going to replace. There's also rectifiers in here. This is full wave rectification. What that means is it's a wave, and it can cause, LEDs can cause flickering because of the type of alternating current. So an alternating current is more of like a wave. It goes off and on and off and on. Well, the lights would flicker. And with AC current is our eyes can't see that the lights are flickering as much. If you reduce it down in a video with the frame rate, you could start seeing it flicker if you go really, really far down into slowing it down. That's why some movies and stuff, when they want to do like a slow kiss or something and lights are in the background, LEDs can flicker a little bit. And so this full wave rectification actually helps that just a little bit with our normal eyesight. These rectifiers can fail, so this is a fail point. That's what you want to check on the tree. Also, if you're stapling or doing whatever that can harm the lights, or if a squirrel chewed through the tree, you don't need to replace the fuse. So to go into replacing the fuses, if that's the cause of the problem, is the fuses are right inside here. You get some extra ones, and if you buy them, they may be in the box or even attached to the lights right here. So these are just backup fuses. We try to rip these off and save them in the season. We have a whole bag of them. And a lot of people will have a hard time getting this off to replace those fuses. And what I like to do is actually use our wreath wire. It's pretty sturdy here. We use our wreath wire to hang all our greenery and stuff and for screws. So it's pretty handy to have this. But what we do is we actually take it right here, and then we push it back like that. And then you go in there and you're like, well, how am I going to get those out? I need tweezers or something to get them out. Well, this wreath wire you could put right in the back here of those fuses there, and you can actually pop them out. So if you look inside there, there is actually right there and right there where it needs to make contact. So there's really no which way you need to put these in. Let's just say we wanted to replace that. You drop it in, and then you can actually, with your wreath wire, just push it down and lock it in, just like that. Then when you push this slide back in and make sure it clicks, and then you can test your lights again to make sure if they're lit up. So that's how you replace a fuse in your mini lights, and a little bit about the design and construction of them.